All right.
Bass case. Alright guys, welcome back.
Another super quick, no frills review / look at this bass case. This is the Vevor. They make or brand all kinds of tools and home goods and stuff. Turns out they have an electric bass guitar case. Let me get you up close and show you what it looks like. Here's the corner. They've got some metal bracing and some extra material on each side. It does come with a badge and you can remove it, it looks like, if you want to. It's got 3 latches and of course 1 handle. This is what they sound like closing. Pretty solid. And here's opening it. So it's got feet on the bottom and it's got feet on the edge hinge side. You can see them down there. Here's a close-up. This is wood, and I'm assuming this is some sort of vinyl. This case is gonna do ya. When I ordered it, it was like $80, free shipping. So here it is opened up. All right, so you've got 1 strap support there. Got your thicker main portion of foam. It's got a nice soft material. This is a 24 fret Ibanez SR 300, and it fits with a strap button on the end with plenty of room. I've got like 3 inches there, but check the measurements on the listing and measure your bass to make sure it's gonna fit. But this should fit 90% of basses. Here's the neck seat. So you've got a nice big body area, nice big neck and head area, and then you've got a nice big pocket. Flap pull, and you can fit a ton of stuff in here. They have all the dimensions on the listing, so check that out, but super convenient. I put even drumsticks in here. You know, you can fit all kinds of music gear in these cases if you pack them right. Solid case. What more do you need? $80. I'm keeping it. Highly recommend. For the price, 10 out of 10 for sure.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
I'm finally able to share links with you guys, so check it out.
I'm loving it.
Peace.